All right, here's the fastest hair tip ever, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to use your hands as a styling tool. If your hair is always falling flat in your face, you want your hair to flip up, all you're going to do is you're going to brush your hair back like so with your hands, with your fingers, make sure there's no knots in it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put your palm on top of your hair and you're going to create circular movements like this. So you're making circles in the hair. Next thing you know, you've got some volume, you've got some texture, and it's literally done within seconds. You can finish it off with hairspray. And there you go. Fastest hair tip ever.